Hi, this is Gloria, and I just want to do a quick introduction of our Take It and Make It kits that we are offering this month. This is our first month, and we're very excited about offering this for adults. And you can sign up online. You can go to our website and go to the online calendar, and there will be a link to register for the an online registration for the kits. And you just sign up, and we will call and let you know when it's ready to be picked up. So this month we're doing Kindness Rocks and Blackout Poetry. So it's something for you and then something for others. So Kindness Rocks, just in a real nutshell, is a group of people around the world that decorate rocks and hide them where others can find them, and hopefully it puts a smile on their face. Then they can go on Facebook and post that they found the rocks, and then they can take the rocks and hide them somewhere else. And hopefully someone else will find them and will put a smile on their face. And this is something I think our community really needs right now. So you'll get everything in your little kit that you can do some basic kindness rocks with. You'll get a couple rocks, you'll get some paint, and I'm just doing 3 different colors, but we're just using acrylic paint. It's just cheap paint you can buy out at Walmart. You'll get some Mod Podge, so you can cover your rocks and help protect them a little bit more. You'll get a couple paint brushes to help with your decorations, and then you'll also get some little quotes. So one way, if you don't feel comfortable painting, which I'm not very creative, so I like to print out little sayings off the internet. So this one says, "You're perfect to me," and so I print that out just on regular paper, and we'll put it on one of the rocks and use Mod Podge to keep it on there. And then you can use a clear acrylic spray. That's one thing that's not included in the kits, but you can use a clear acrylic spray to really protect them if you're putting them outside. So it's just real simple to do this. You just, to do the Mod Podge, you just put a little bit of Mod Podge down, put a little bit on the image, put it on there, put some more over top of it to help it really stick to it. I get very messy when I do these. Okay, just kind of put it on there. Wipe off some of the excess and then let this dry. And then once it's dry, you could put another coat of Mod Podge on it. But if you do want to put it outside where the weather will get to it, you might want to use some clear acrylic spray to really protect it. Along with your handout that's in your packet, there are some of these little labels that you can use to put on your rocks. So it just tells people that you found a happiness rocks or kindness rock, and post a picture on Facebook and re-hide it. This one's for West Central Ohio rocks. Another local one is Ohio rocks. There's a lot of them out there, a lot of groups out there, but those are 2 local ones that seem to be pretty active. And so you can join those Facebook groups, and you can let people know where you're hiding your rocks, or you can see if people post your rocks. So those are just really quick on the kindness rocks. The other craft that you're getting is called Blackout Poetry, and I am not good at poetry or drawing, but this was something fun. You just take book pages. So everybody's getting a few pages of a book. Don't worry, this book was in very bad shape. We were discarding it. I did not take a good book, but everybody will get a few pages from a book. You go through and circle a few words that stick out to you that maybe you might want to use in a poem. You can write them down if you want and maybe help you figure out what you want your poem to be. Mine turned out to be very simple. Once you figure out what you want, you choose your words, you black out, cross out everything else. And then, so mine is wondering why she would be furious, then she decided to smile. And then I just do a little sunshine on there. This one is smile, let us hope, and be happy. So you can get really more involved in it. You can get into real decorating the pages really beautiful. I'll have some links to other people who are more creative than me that will give you some other ideas on how you can do your Blackout poetry. So those are just the 2 things that we'll be having in our kits this month. I hope you enjoy it. It gives you something different to do. Every month we'll be offering different crafts. I will show you a hint on next month. We hope to do some macrame. So the plan is to have macrame key rings and then little macrame plant hangers, and we'll give you all the supplies you need to do that. So we hope you enjoy this month's Take It and Make It kit. And if you have any questions, please contact the library. Thank you.